Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to skin retouch in Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open New Image. Then go to the Window menu, and click on the Layer, and Background Layer Copy. Then go to the Select Spot Healing Brush tool from the toolbar, and remove the large pimple on the face. After remove large pimple, then go to the Filter menu, and click on the Neural Filters, and click on the Skin Smooth. And increase the blur radius 60. Also increase smoothness 10. Click on the output. Select current layer. Go to the Select and Deselect. Now, we remove pimple on the face. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel, and click the bell icon for more updates.